Hello, hi, welcome to my channel Creative Fluids. What is sound? Sound is a form of energy produced by vibrations. How sound starts uh, vibrating object to air vibrations to ear. Sound waves. Sound travels as longitudinal waves. Particles move back and forth. Particles do not travel forward, only the energy moves. Sound needs a medium. Sound travels through solids, liquids, and gases. And particle spacing, if you observe in this figure, in the solids, those all particles are very close together, and in liquids, they are not close, and in gases also they are very little close together, least close. Closer particles use the faster sound. Sound cannot travel in space. Why? Because no particles are not there. So there is no particles, no sound. Amplitude, loudness. Amplitude tells us how loud the sound is. High amplitude, loud. Low amplitude, soft. Frequency. Frequency means tells how high or how sound is. When high pitch is there, high frequency. Low pitch is there, low frequency. If you like this video, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.